I always tell prospective au pairs that whatever it is you want to get out of being an au pair, make sure you find a family that will support that. For me, that means traveling, so I found a family that loves to travel and lets me go with them. Hi guys, my name is Kaylee and welcome to a day in my life as an au pair in Germany, travel edition, because today we are in Austria. We'll be here for a week and a half. We're in a ski village. My host family loves coming here and I get to travel with them. So this is what it looks like to be an au pair and travel with your host family. I begin every morning by preparing breakfast for the kids. Then I make myself some coffee and wait for their parents to send them to my apartment. When traveling, I always have my own room and bathroom. But this is one of the many perks of being an au pair, for me at least, is getting to travel with my host family to beautiful places. Check this out. This is the view from my apartment. I mean, come on, is that not stunning? Right now their parents are meeting with some friends. They have friends and family who live here. And the kids are inside right now watching TV and I'm watching them, and then we're gonna get dressed and go to a nearby ski village for lunch. After I got the kids dressed, we went to meet their parents to drive to the nearby ski village. Being in Austria and in the Alps is absolutely stunning. The views are amazing. The village we stay in is a bit smaller and doesn't have much to do, so the nearby ski village has many more shops, restaurants, and things like that. So once we arrived, we walked around a little bit, did some shopping, and had some ice cream, and then we just had dinner at the apartment. Every day is a little bit different depending on their schedule. Some days I have a lot of free time and other days I have to spend more time watching the kids. Most days I would help in the morning getting the kids ready to go skiing and then take them to the ski lift and let them go with their parents up the mountain. So currently my host family is skiing. And I have the morning basically to do whatever I want until lunchtime. They're gonna call me whenever they need me to be somewhere. They bought me a little pass where I can ride all of the gondolas up the mountain, so I'm about to go do that and go into the little village right above the village we're in. It has bars, restaurants, and stuff like that, and places to start skiing and stuff. So I'm about to go there, so let's go. There's a couple of different gondolas and ski lifts to get up the mountain, so depending on where you want to go, I can just take any one of those. Like I said, there's not a whole lot to do in this little town, but there are very many restaurants and bars at the top of the mountains with amazing views. So I spend a lot of time hopping between the different bars and restaurants, having a drink, and just enjoying being in the Alps. I'm not typically a white wine person, but the Gruner Veltliner Austrian wine is really good. So my host dad just sent me the location of the place we're going for lunch, so I'm currently on the ski lift going up the mountain to go meet them at the restaurant for lunch. The views are always just unreal. On this day, after we had lunch, the kids played in the snow for a little bit and then they skied down while I took the ski lift and the gondola back down the mountain. On this day, I watched the kids for a few hours while their parents did some skiing by themselves. Since we don't have their toys or games here, they just sit inside and watch TV or play on their iPads, and I normally sit outside and have coffee on the balcony. After that, I had free time for the rest of the afternoon, so I went and checked out some more of the mountaintop bars and had an aperitivo. At this place, I basically just spend a lot of time riding up and down the gondolas and going to those bars. So basically, whenever I travel with my host family, I am there to help them watch the kids or help them with whatever they need. And then the rest of the time, I'm free to do whatever I want. They normally try and give me at least one day off, and this time I went to the nearby ski village by myself and just hung out for the day. Getting to travel with my host family is definitely a highlight of being their au pair.